I can't get up anymore. The straw beneath me is soaked with sweat, and the air is so thick, I have to swallow it.
Beneath my arm, near the armpit, a hard lump burns. I've seen one like it on the man they carried out of the next house yesterday. I know how this ends.
2 weeks ago, I was well. An ordinary morning. Smoke over the roofs, the smell of bread, children's voices in the yard.
Hey, neighbor, heading to the barn? They say folks are dropping like flies in the village across the river. Bah, nonsense. Oh, women wagging their tongues.
I laugh and nod. Someone else's misfortune is always across the river. Never here. There are many of us in this house. We sleep by one hearth, eat from one bowl. It's warm when everyone's close.
Come back before dark and eat something. You've had nothing since morning. The children ask about you all day.
I promise. I take the bread from her hands. Still warm. I don't know I'm seeing her well for the last time. By day, I'm in the barn, by the grain. Rats rustle in the straw. Always have. I don't even look. I don't know what they brought with them.
Hey, don't doze off. These sacks won't hold themselves. What are you staring at? See a rat?
We haul grain side by side, laughing, splitting a crust between us. So close. Closer than we should be. Something bites my leg. It itches, that's all. A tiny flea. I won't even remember it by evening. But it has already done its work.
Rats everywhere. No escaping them. In the barns, the cellars, under the very straw. We'll manage. Always have.
I draw the water, nod to the old man. An ordinary day. The most ordinary of days. By evening, I'm shivering. I'm right by the fire, but the cold comes from inside, from the bones. I blame the long day.
You're pale today, neighbor. Take a steam bath, drink a hot herbal brew. It'll pass by morning. Happens to everyone.
I nod. He's probably right. It's just fatigue. It has to pass. In the night, the fever comes. My shirt clings to my back. My head, a cauldron of iron. I call it a cold. I am wrong.
God, you're burning up. Lie down. Don't get up. Should I call for the healer?
It's nothing. Just tired, I tell her. I'll be up by morning. Don't frighten the children. My body aches, as if I'd been beaten all night with staves. I feel sick. Every movement costs strength I no longer have. In the morning, I feel something hard beneath the skin. In the groin, deep, hot, the size of a hen's egg. And it hurts so much, my vision goes dark. And then I remember the neighbor. He had a lump just like it.
3 days later, the bell tolled for him. I know what this is. I know.
You're better today, aren't you? Tell me you're better.
Better. I tell her. Better. And I smile. And hide the hand with the lump under my shirt. Let her live without fear a little longer. The skin over it is stretched and shines, hot as a stone from the hearth. I can't lower my arm. Can't lie on that side. The lump grows while I watch. In a day, it darkens from red to crimson, then the color of a storm cloud, as if something not mine is ripening under the skin. And it is. The fever carries me off. The candle splits in 2, in 3. I drink water and pour it out again as sweat. A hearth burns inside me with nothing to quench it.
Your sickness comes from foul air, from the marsh vapors. We'll bleed you, lance the lump with hot iron, burn herbs, pray. It is all in God's hands.
He burns bitter herbs by my bed, bleeds me, does all he knows how. None of us knows about the flea. I am no better.
Beyond the wall they pray. They burn juniper. Smoke out the house. Someone says it is punishment. Someone that the stars are to blame. No one knows about the flea.
The walls begin to breathe. They draw near and pull back like a sleeper's chest. The beam overhead runs, melting wax. I no longer know if it's day or night.
Can you hear me? Stay with me, do you hear?
The voices are at my ear. Then a mile away, they call my name, and I can't tell if they're here or if I'm dreaming them. I answer. No one hears.
I call for my wife. I open my mouth, but only a rasp comes out. Dry, not my own. I scream with all my strength. It comes quieter than a whisper.
Somewhere, a bell is tolling. Slowly, one stroke at a time. That's how they ring for those carried away. I count the strokes and think, soon this bell will be for me. Spots surface beneath the skin. Dark, horrified, like spilt ink. They weren't there this morning. They bloom on their own. No blow, no wound. Dark spots. The mark this death will be remembered by. The fingers grow cold first. The tips darken as if jarred. I can't feel them. The body puts out its own light from the edges, working toward the heart. The sickness is in my chest. Every breath, like through a wet rag,
I cough, and red stays on my palm. The air is no longer mine.
I won't leave. Do you hear? I'll stay with you.
She raises a hand to her mouth and coughs, just as I do. Which means it's already in her. I brought it into this house.
Shouting! Don't go near their house! Bar your doors! Lord, save and protect us.
Outside, they're shouting. The same neighbor who called me to the barn this morning. Now he flees from my doorstep, crossing himself. I look at them and understand. I was the first. I ate with them from one bowl, slept by one fire. The sickness followed me and entered everyone who loved me. The candle gutters. The light narrows to a single point. There's almost no pain now. And that is worse than the pain. The body gives up before I do. I was the first in this house, but not the last. Beyond the wall, they're already coughing, and the flea that started it all is looking for the next. By morning, the house will fall silent, and the sickness will move on. House to house, village to town, along the roads and the ships. Every wave had someone who was first.